Typhoon Tino leaves Cebu in ruins. It's total devastation in Cebu as Typhoon Tino tears through the region, leaving entire communities in ruins. The scene is eerily reminiscent of Typhoon Yolanda, almost, but not quite. And yet, the heartbreak feels all too familiar.
Nakapublic na ko. So, mo ni sitwasyon na diri. Ang mga ref, napay mga tag, nai washing, napay ref, napa dito.
The aftermath is apocalyptic. Whole neighborhoods have been reduced to rubble. Floodwaters still choke the streets, and homes lie splintered under the storm's brutal force. Downed palm trees, twisted metal, and shattered glass stretch for miles. A landscape of loss and despair.
Nakapunta ko emergency. Pwede pa apatabang ni diri dapita Villa Azalea kutkut liluan, please. Please guys, tabangin. Kasi makapunta ko emergency.
Locals describe it simply, like a war zone. But this is no longer just a weather event. It's a humanitarian crisis. The heavy flooding in Cebu is yet another painful reminder that the Philippines continues to bear the brunt of the global climate emergency, exactly as scientists have long warned. And Filipinos have every right to be outraged. The final toll from Typhoon Tino will almost certainly exceed initial estimates. Already, at least 66 lives have been lost, and that number will likely climb in the coming days. This is the new reality of the climate crisis, the new normal. And once again, the Philippines stands at the front line, BBM and leaders of other nations suffering the worst impacts. Countries that contribute least to the crisis yet pay the highest price must demand accountability from the world's industrial powers. Not only the United States and the West, but also China and India. It's infuriating that some governments, notably the current US administration under Trump, still deny the reality of the climate crisis. Not because they truly disbelieve the science, but because they're trapped in the greasy grip of big oil and corporate lobbyists.
All of this with the global warming and that, a lot of it's a hoax. It's a hoax.
The scientific community has refuted the deniers for decades, pointing to the basic facts over and over again. Yet climate change denial remains more widespread in the US today than almost anywhere else in the world.
Here's the problem.
You think the Earth is not warming right now?
So, did you notice a few years ago...
Wait, do you think the Earth is not warming?
Climate has always changed, but you can't distinguish mankind's contribution from natural variability.
I asked the chair, you know what this is? It's a snowball. So it's very, very cold out.
How did we get to this point?
Climate change denial represents two different powerful strands that come together. One is money, and the other is ideology.
The gas industry has spent billions lobbying against regulations and supporting organizations that question climate science. But experts say that this blatant corporate self-interest would not have been so influential were it not for a powerful libertarian strain in U.S. politics.
For the day when climate change could be irreversible.
Rising sea levels already altering this nation's coast.
China's capital is choking in its worst pollution of the year.